Welcome to today's podcast, where we'll be diving into the intriguing world of pink salt and its potential benefits for weight loss. Have you heard of Himalayan pink salt being used for this purpose?
Absolutely. It's fascinating. Pink salt is more than just a pretty addition to your kitchen. Its mineral-rich composition sets it apart from regular table salt. But how exactly does it aid in weight loss?
Great question. Pink salt contains 84 trace minerals that support key functions like metabolism, hydration, and digestion. These elements are essential for maintaining a healthy weight. For instance, magnesium boosts metabolism, and potassium helps balance fluids.
That sounds promising. I read that it helps reduce bloating and improves digestion. Is that linked to how it supports metabolism?
Exactly. By stimulating stomach acid production, pink salt improves nutrient absorption and detoxifies the liver. This process helps flush out toxins that can slow down your metabolism, making it more efficient.
So it's like a natural detox. But what about cravings? Can pink salt really curb them?
It can. The mineral richness of pink salt helps reduce sugar and salt cravings, which can often lead to overeating. A small pinch in water can actually suppress appetite between meals.
Interesting. And I've heard about soul water. How does that work?
Soul water is simple to make. You just dissolve pink salt crystals in water, let it sit overnight, and take a teaspoon in warm water every morning. It's known for alkalizing the body and reducing bloating. Perfect for kickstarting your day.
That sounds like a refreshing morning ritual. But are there any specific times when pink salt is most effective for weight loss?
Morning is ideal for soul water because it jumpstarts digestion. Before meals, it helps reduce cravings. Post-workout, it replenishes electrolytes, which is crucial for recovery.
Those are practical tips. But what about potential side effects? We should cover that for our listeners.
Certainly, excessive intake can raise blood pressure, so moderation is key. Stick to 1 to 2 teaspoons per day. And people with kidney issues should consult their doctors first.
It's important to be mindful of that. And compared to other salts, where does pink salt stand?
Pink salt is less processed and contains more minerals than table salt, which can cause bloating and cravings. Sea salt is somewhat similar, but less mineral-rich than pink salt.
It's clear that pink salt has its advantages. But can it really burn belly fat?
Not directly. It helps reduce bloating and boosts metabolism, which indirectly supports fat loss. But it should be combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise for best results.
Consistency is key then. How long does it usually take to see noticeable changes?
You might notice reduced bloating in 3 to 5 days, but significant fat loss requires consistent effort over 4 weeks or more.
That's encouraging. To wrap it up, pink salt seems like a valuable addition to a weight loss plan. Any final thoughts?
Pink salt supports weight loss by improving hydration, reducing bloating, boosting metabolism, and curbing cravings. Incorporating it into your daily routine alongside a healthy lifestyle can yield great results.
Thanks for the insights. This has been a comprehensive discussion on pink salt and weight loss. We hope our listeners found it informative. Until next time.